In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a project in Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to effortlessly replicate your designs, saving you time and enhancing your creative process. To start, you'll need to head over to canva.com. If you haven't already signed in, look at the upper right corner of your screen. There you'll find the login button. Signing in is straightforward. Canva offers you flexibility, allowing you to log in through various options. You can use your Google account, link from Facebook, or simply enter your email and password. Choose whichever method is most convenient for you, and you'll be set to explore the world of design. Once you're logged in and on the Canva home screen, the next step is to locate the particular design that you'd like to duplicate. Take a moment to browse through your existing projects. If your library is extensive, consider using the search feature to quickly pinpoint your desired project. Once you've found the design, hover your cursor over the thumbnail image of the project. This action reveals a set of options hidden beneath the surface of the thumbnail. You'll see three little dots appear, commonly referred to as the ellipsis menu. Clicking on these three dots will unveil a drop-down menu, presenting you with different actions to choose from. Among these options, look for Make a Copy. Select this option, and just like that, Canva does the heavy lifting for you. What happens next is Canva will instantly create a duplicate of your selected design. This duplicated project will appear in exactly the same location as the original within your dashboard, so you won't have to go searching through your files to find it. It will be right there, ready for your next creative endeavor. Duplicating a project can be a real game changer, especially if you have a design that you'd like to use as a template for future projects. It allows you to maintain a consistent style and branding across different materials, whether it's for business presentations, social media graphics, or personal projects. Remember, you can always rename the duplicated file to keep your work organized. Simply click on the project title and edit it to whatever you'd like. This way you'll immediately know which is the clone and which is the original, and there you have it, a quick and easy way to duplicate a project in Canva. With just a few clicks, you've managed to save yourself time while ensuring consistency across your designs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial enhances your Canva experience. Happy designing!